Okay, so the purpose of this Nearpod lesson is to be a supplement to an animal report that I'd have my students do. So it's kind of an example, just to engage the students more in each other's projects. So I did a seahorse as the example, and so I would have given my report by now, and then everyone enters into the lesson. They would then watch this short video by National Geographic that I added, and then just kind of look at the different types, what they look like, all that. And then I would use that to have them draw their own. This is the one that my student drew. And it says they should be doing activities, so I can see that they're holding on to the seaweed as their little seahorse. And then they had a quiz that they took that had 5 questions, so I can see that they got the last 3 correct but the first 3 wrong. I can go in and see their answer. So I put 5 instead of 25. This one they got correct. Seahorses live in oceans. And then overall as a class they got about 60% correct. Next, it was just an open-ended question. What did you learn about seahorses that you didn't know before? And then the answer now carries eggs. And I also did a poll. Since this is like the intro presentation, just kind of the example, the final question was, in general, what are they planning on doing their animal report about? So I did the 6 different types of animals. And then had them answer. So I can see that C is the biggest answer right now, which is amphibian, and everything else doesn't have anything. So yeah, that's my lesson.